Flyers are more than just handouts. They're visual representations of the message you're trying to convey, and they offer a tangible way to reach your desired attendees or customers. A strong design can catch your audience's attention at first glance. That's why we created a list of the 10 best flyer design templates. Number 10. Business Flyer by T-Mint. With dynamic polygons and bold, striking text, this template commands the attention you would expect a flyer to grab. It makes excellent use of icons and formatting to organize your content, and it embodies a subdued, sophisticated color scheme that's ideal for business purposes. Number 9. Back to School Flyer Template by 816 Studios. The number 9 spot on our list takes a very playful approach in its overall design. It emphasizes the use of cartoony text and extensive graphics to create a visual that pops and offers a well-formatted space to populate with content like contact details and website addresses. Number 8. Ultimate Music Fest Flyers by Me55Enja. Featuring all caps text and a striking rectangular style, this flyer has been designed with concerts in mind. It has a giant space for a headliner name and image, and room to list the date, time, and location of the music event below. And at 300 dpi, this design is ready to print. Number 7. Sale Flyer Template by Maamun Albibi. Sale Flyer Template is the perfect example of what a bold, colored flyer should look like. The design features large, attention-grabbing text in its center, surrounded by contrasting swathes of black and red to create a look that's both eye-catching and easy to read. And if you're not a big fan of the color combo, don't worry. This template is easy to edit and customize to suit your needs. Number 6. Gym Flyer Template by Webs Road. With varying shapes and font types, this kit is an excellent choice if you're looking for a design that stands out from the competition. This template offers ample space to list services, prices, contact information, colorful icons, different placeholders, and low opacity backgrounds. All the templates we've seen so far are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to unlimited assets like Illustrator brushes, vector icons, fonts, and everything in between to bring your dream designs to life. Find the link in the description below. Number 5. Jazz Flyer by Tokusatsu. The number 5 spot on our list is a simple yet strong design perfect for jazz concerts or any other type of musical event. It includes a symmetric formatting and monochromatic design, plus ample space to fill with details like headliners, time, date, website address, sponsors, and more. Number 4. Barbershop Flyer by Vineta. Vineta has created an excellent design for barbershops, hair salons, and similar businesses. The design features an eye-catching contrast incorporating a black and white color palette with the addition of a third bright color. It combines vintage and modern design elements to create a look that's stylish and easy to read. Number 3. Summer Flyer by Lillian the Sweet Pea. Looking to make a statement? There's no better way to do it than using this flyer. The template emphasizes text to an extreme degree, featuring a large, image-filled word in its center. And with a clean, organized area for details below, it's perfect for everything from club nights to concerts. Number 2. Fashion Flyer by Graphics Shiv. Boasting a professional, sleek, and modern appearance, Fashion Flyer is a simple way to make a great impression. With a split-screen format, this template allows you to create a beautiful design by placing your images and graphics in the upper half and adding all your essential info to the lower half, giving your flyer a professional and modern finish. Number 1. Club Flyer by Style Wish. With a super futuristic and dynamic character, this template created by Style Wish is perfect for those who want to make a visual statement with their flyer design. From its strong use of colors and patterns to its inventive layout, this template is all about breaking the mold. So that's a wrap. Let us know in the comments which of these flyers you will use in your next project. If you didn't find a template that suits your brand, event, or project, I encourage you to take a deep look in Envato Elements. You'll find what you're looking for. Anyway, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you later!